Happy morning all of you. How are you all? Hope you are all good and safe. I am also good, Nana. Thank you so much. I am back. Keep washing your hands regularly and be hygienic. Okay? Very good. How did you enjoy in your holidays, Nana? Not in all holidays. In Dasra and Badkamma. Hope you enjoyed a lot. Okay. Very good. Come back to our subject, ma. Okay. Today we are going to learn lesson number 5 in term 2 textbook in EVS. Okay. The lesson name is Plants Are Friends. The lesson name is Plants Are Friends. Be ready with your term 2 textbook and open page number 118. This page, Nana. This page. 118. Okay. Shall I start our lesson? Okay, very good. Look at here, Nana. What is this? Is this plant? Yes or no? Yes, this is a plant. Today we are going to learn about plant. Today we are going to learn about plant. Okay, very good. Plants are very useful to us. Plants are very useful to us. They give us fruits, flowers, vegetables, and one more important thing is there. What is that, Nana? Think once. Yes, plant gives us air also. Plant gives us air also. Okay, let's try to learn some more about these plants in this class. Okay, Nana? Very good. First, let's learn about different types of plants. Okay? Plants are in different types, Nana. Okay? First of all, trees. First of all, trees. Tree, which is big, tall and hard, strong. That is called a tree. Which is a big, tall and strong. That is called a tree. Okay. This is called tree, Nana. Tree has a hard and strong stem. Tree has a hard and strong stem. This one, Nana. See how is this strong and hard? This hard stem is called trunk. What is this? Trunk. This hard and strong stem is called a trunk. And this tree has so many branches. This tree has so many branches also. Okay. So many branches also. For example, mango tree, peepal tree, banyan tree, coconut tree and palm tree also. Okay. If you go to your hometown or if you go to villages, you can see there different types of trees. Different types of trees. And one more thing is, trees can live for so many years, ma. Trees can live for so many years. You can see this type of trees in villages. Okay, Nana? Very good. Now, second one. Second one is shrub. Second one is shrub. Shrub. A shrub is shrub which is smaller than trees. Tree means which is big, tall and strong. Plant is called tree. But shrub is smaller than trees. Shrub is smaller than tree. Okay. This shrub also has a hard and thick stem. See here. For example, tulsi plant and hibiscus, rose plant, like them. Okay. Okay, Nana? This shrub also has a thin and hard stem. See. See this stem, Nana, once. How is this stem? Yes, thin and hard, not strong. Thin and hard. Okay. This is called shrub. It has also so many branches. It has also so many branches, but the branches grow close to the ground. See, this is ground, Nana. How is this growing? See, close to the ground. Okay. Examples of this shrub is what? Tell me. Hibiscus, rose plant, next tulsi plant. Okay. Very good, marks. And next one is number 3 is herb. 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 What is the first one? Tree. Tree is tall, big and strong. That is called tree. And next one is shrub. Shrub is which is smaller than tree. That is called a shrub. And third one is herb. Herb is very small plant. Herb is very small plant. For example, spinach plant, rice plant. How are they? See, just like this only. How they are small? See once. This is called herb. And rice plant also. It has very long leaves, Nana. Okay. How they are? Very small. And they are very closer to the ground. These are called shrub. It has also weak stem. It has also weak stem. Okay. Weak and very soft stem. This herb also has a soft stem. Okay. See here, Nana. Here we can see herbs. Mint plant, spinach plant, rice plant. These are the examples of herbs. Okay. Got it? Very good. Tree can live for so many years. Tree can live for so many years. And next, shrub. Shrub can live for few years only. If you observe any rose plant near your house, it can live only for few years. Okay. Next. And herb can live only few months. Okay. Herb can live only for few months. And next one is climber. Our favorite. Yes or no? Yes. Because we have already learned about this climber in previous class also. Climber.
Previous class is path class, old classes.
What is this plant, ma? Yes. What is this plant? Climber. We know about this climber. Climber has a very weak stem. Climber has a very weak stem. See here. How is this? Very weak. And one more thing is, it can't grow straight without support. It can't grow straight without support. It needs support to straight and grow straight also. Okay. Examples of this climber is, think once. Yes, money plant, peas plant, beans plant and money plant also examples of this climber. Okay. See here, Nana. This is climber. In this 119 page. This one. These are the examples of climbers. Okay. Money plant, pea plant. Got my point? Very good. Now, one more type is creeper. What is that, ma? Creeper. 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 It grows along the ground only. See here, ma. For example, bottle gourd plant and watermelon. You all like watermelon? Yes? Yes. See. This is ground, ma. Plant grows like this. Like this. Means it grows along the ground only. It grows along to the ground only. This is called creeper. Okay. It has also a soft stem. This one, Anna. It has also very soft stem. This one. Here fruits are there. For example, watermelon. Watermelon or bottle gourd. Okay, Anna? These are the different types of plants. What are they, Anna? Tree. Next one, shrub. Next one, after shrub, herb. After herb, climber. Very good. After climber, creeper. Okay, very good, Nana. Do you know one thing, ma? Plants grows in different places, not only in the sand. Okay, some plants grow in water also. Some plants grow in deserts also. Tell me one example to water plants, Nana. Lily, lotus. Lily means water lily, Nana. Okay, water lilies and lotus. These are the examples of water plants. See here one. This is water, Nana. Lotus. Okay. See, this is the stem and here leaf. Okay, ma? If you observe, lotus has a big and long leaves. Okay, this is the lotus plant. Lotus plant grows in water only. Okay, and after that, water lilies also. These are the examples of water plants. After that, desert plant. What is a desert plant, Nana? Think once. This desert plant also has a thorns. What is that? What is it? Thorn. Yes. Example of that desert plant is? Yes. Cactus. Very good. We have learned about this in previous class also, ma. Cactus. Okay. Do you know one thing, ma? What are these, Nana? This one. What are these? Thorns. What are these? Thorns. Okay. Thorns grow in desert only. Cactus. Sorry, not thorns, only cactus. Cactus grow in desert only. That is called, so this cactus is called as a desert plant. Okay. And one more plant also has thorns. What is the plant, Nana? Think once. Yes, rose plant. What is that? Rose plant. Okay. These are the different types of plants. And now can we say plants can grow in different places also. Am I right? Right. Very good. Now let's learn about things. Now let's learn about things we get from plants. Come on, think once, Nana. What do we get from plants? We get fruits, flowers, vegetables, pulses. Okay. And some more, Nana. Think once. Yes. We eat different parts of the plant also. We eat different parts of the plant also. Okay. Now let's learn them. Okay, Nana. If you observe, we eat some seeds of plants, some stems of plants, some fruits of plants, some flowers of plants, some roots of the plants also. We eat different parts of plants. Okay? Now let us discuss them, Nana. Rice. We have lunch now. Every day we have lunch. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Rice means lunch means rice. Or chapati, roti. We made them with wheat. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. We get this rice from plants. We get wheat from plants. Means we get rice seeds of that plants, seeds of their plants. That means we eat different types of seeds of their plants also. Rice, wheat and corn also. Anna. Corn. We like sweet corn. Am I right? Yes. So we eat seeds of plants. And next one is we eat stem of plants also. Think once. What we can eat, Nana? Sugar cane? Yes, we can eat sugar cane. Sugar cane is the stem of that plant. Sugar cane is the stem of what plant? Yes, sugar cane plant. And next one is we can eat fruits of plants. Orange, apple, banana. Okay. And next we can eat roots of the plant also. What roots, ma? Can we eat? Is this possible? Yes, this is possible, Nana. We can eat carrot. We can eat beetroot. We can eat radish. What are they? They are the roots of their plants. So, we can eat roots of the plants also. Correct? Okay. Next, we can eat leaves of the plant also. Leaves? How? It is possible. Do you like spinach? Okay. Do you like curry leaf? Yes. Means we can eat the leaves of their plants also. Spinach. Next, cauliflower. Yes, cauliflower. We can eat cauliflower. Cauliflower is the cauliflower leaves are the leaves of the cauliflower. Are next to cabbage. Yes or no? Yes.
Carrot, beetroot.
See here, Nana. Here we have one table also. We can see here also. Okay? So, we can eat seeds of the plant. We can eat roots of the plant. We can eat stems of the plant. We can eat leaves of the plant. We can eat fruits. As well as we can eat nuts of the plant. Nuts means groundnut, walnuts, like them. Okay? We can eat nuts of the plants also. So, can we say plant gives us different types of food? Can we say? Yes, we can say. And next is plants give us fiber. Plants give us fiber. Okay, fiber. But what are the uses of fiber, Nana? What are the uses of fiber? Fiber is used to make what is this? Cloth. Yes, right. Fiber is used to make cloth, ropes, mats, like that. Okay, Nana? Very good. Now I am going to ask one question, ma. Okay. How do we get cotton, ma? How do we get cotton? Yes, correct. We get cotton from cotton plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. Means plant gives us fiber. We use that fiber to make clothes, mats, like clothes related things. Okay? Not only cotton plant, ma. From jute plant also. We get jute cloth from jute plant. Okay? We get jute clothes from that jute cloth. Okay? Here we can see, Nana. Let us see page number 121. This page, ma'am. Okay? This page. We get cotton from cotton plant. After we are getting fiber, we use that fiber to make clothes. As well as jute plants. These are jute plants. Okay? We get jute from these jute plants. Okay? With the help of these jute. We will make jute clothes. See here, rope, mats, all these. Okay, Anna? So, can we say we get fiber from plants? Yes, we can say. Plants give us fiber also. Okay, very good. And next, I have one doubt, ma'am. How do we get doors, windows, beds like them? Tell me once. I think so. From shop? Yes, from shop. Yes? Not Nana, that is not correct. We get these doors, windows and beds from plants only. We get wood. We get wood, ma. See here, wood. We get wood from plants. We get wood from plants. After getting, after getting this wood, we use this wood to make, doors, windows, tables, chairs, bed. Okay? And firewood also. See here, Nana. We can get doors. We can get pencils. We get pencil also from plants only, Nana. Okay, because that is also wood. Okay, chairs, firewood. You know about firewood? If you go to village, you can see there firewood. We use this firewood to cook food. Okay, Nana? Very good. So, can we say plants give us wood? Yes or no? Yes, plants give us wood also. And next one is plants give us, what is this, ma'am? Paper. Very good. Plants give us paper. Next, rubber. Do you have cycle? Do you have a cycle? Okay. Do you have a cycle? Do you have an eraser? Okay, very good. How do we get them, Nana? Think once. We get them from rubber. Your cycle has wheels or no? Yes, cycle has wheels also. We get that wheels from rubber. And we get that rubber from rubber tree. We get rubber from rubber tree. See here, Nana, here. How do we get that rubber from rubber tree, Nana? First we get juice of that rubber tree. After with that help of juice, we can make rubber. With the help of that rubber, we can make rubber things. Wheels, eraser, balls, like them. See here. As well as, do you know one thing, ma? Have you ever seen bamboo tree? Bamboo tree. See, Nana, this is bamboo tree. This one. This is bamboo tree. We get paper from this bamboo tree. We get paper from this bamboo tree. Okay, Nana? Very good. As well as, have you ever seen gum? Like Fevistick, Fevikwik. Yes? Okay, very good. How do we get that, Nana? With the help of juice of kikar tree. Kikar. See, this is called kikar tree, ma'am. Kikar tree. Okay? We can get juice from this kikar tree. After getting, we use this gum to prepare gum. Okay, ma'am? To prepare gum. This is paper, bamboo tree. And this one, rubber, from rubber tree. This is gum from kikar tree. Kikar. So, can we say plants give us paper, rubber and gum? Yes, we can say plants give us rubber, gum and paper also. As well as, every day mummy is using oil in cooking. Am I right? Yes. And every day mummy apply oil for your hair. Am I right? Right. Means We get oil from plants only. We get oil from plants only. How can we get, Nana? Plants give us seeds. Am I right? Plants give us seeds. We get oil from the seeds only. We get oil from the seeds only. For example, coconut tree. We get coconut oil from coconut. Coconut fruit means coconut. Okay. And next, see here, Nana. Mustard also, ma. Mustard seeds. Mustard plant gives us mustard seeds. From that mustard seeds, we can get mustard oil also. Okay. As well as we use this oil to prepare shampoos, soaps also. Means plants give us oil to prepare oil in cooking, for hair, and to make to prepare soaps and shampoos also. Am I right? Yes, very good. As well as plants give us medicine also, Nana. Plants give us medicine also. You know, do you know penicillin injection, ma? Penicillin injection? Okay. If you observe in injection, we will take some liquid. Yes or no? Yes. We will prepare that liquid from plants. Plants means from the different parts of the plants. We use neem plant leaves to prepare medicines. As well as we use tulsi plant leaves to cure cough and cold also. Am I right? Next, aloe vera, Nana. We will use aloe vera leaves, which has thorns, na? That one. Okay. That leaves to prepare medicines also. Aloe vera, amla plant, haldi plant. Okay. We will use different parts of these plants to prepare medicines also. Now can we say plants give us medicines? Yes or no? Yes, plants give us medicines also. And next one is, see here, Nana. Not here, Nana. Every day, your parents and grandparents have a tea or coffee. Yes or no? Yes. But how can we get them, Nana? Tea or coffee? From coffee seeds and tea seeds. If you observe, page number 122, this page, Nana. This is coffee plant and this is tea plant. This coffee plant gives us coffee seeds, ma. Okay. As well as this tea plant gives us tea seeds. Okay. We use them to prepare coffee or tea also. Okay, Nana. Now can we say plants give us coffee and tea? Yes, we can say. And we mix sugar in that coffee or tea. Am I right? Yes. But how can we get sugar, Nana? Think once. Yes, sugar also. We get sugar also from plant. Sugar also from plant? How? It is possible with sugar plant. We use sugar stem from sugar plant. Okay? Sugar cane plant. Sorry, Nana. Sugar cane plant. Okay? We use that sugar cane stem to prepare sugar. After that, we use sugar in our cooking. Okay? As well as, see here, Nana, rose plant, jasmine, and lily also. We use these plants' leaves to prepare perfumes and fragrance also. Okay, Nana? Very good. We use these flowers. Some flowers have sweet smelling flowers. Some plants has sweet smelling flowers. Okay? See here, ma. So, we use these plants' flowers to prepare fragrance. Now, can we say plants give us fragrance and plants give us perfumes? Yes, we can say. Now, tell me, Nana, plants give us different types of foods. Plants give us paper, rubber, gum, wood. Plants give us wood. And next, plants give us fiber. fiber. Plants give us oil. Plants give us oil. Plants give us medicines. Plants give us medicines. Plants give us next fragrance. Fragrance. Okay. Plants give us coffee or tea also. Okay, ma? Next. This is about the plants. And one more important thing, Nana. Don't cut trees, as well as plants give us air, and plants make the air fresh and clean also. How? Plants take carbon dioxide in the air and give us oxygen. That is very useful to us to breathe. Okay. And next one is, see here, trees and plants make our world beautiful. This is correct, na? Yes, plants and trees make this world beautiful with their flowers, fruits also. Am I correct? Okay. And next one is, don't keep fallen flowers and some leaves in dustbin. Please keep them in flower vase for decoration. If you do like that, how it's beautiful? Yes. Okay. And next one is, don't pluck the flowers anywhere. Don't pluck the flowers anywhere. Okay. Plant more plants. Plant more plants. Don't cut the tree. Okay. A green world is a beautiful world. A green world. If there are so many plants, how is this world? Greenery and very beautiful, and it will give peace to our mind also. Correct? Yes. So, don't cut the trees. Please plant more plants. Okay, ma? This is about plants are friends now. Hope you understood this lesson, ma. Here we have some work, ma. Please come to page number 118. Starting of the lesson. Okay? Get started, okay? Circle the things that a seed needs to grow into a plant. We have already learned this in previous class, ma. You all know about this. What is the first one, ma? Sand. Is this useful to plant to grow? Yes. Circle this one. Okay? And next one is sun. How is this used to plant, Nana? With the help of sunlight only, plant makes their food. Okay? So, circle this one. And next one is water. Water. This is also useful to plant to grow, to prepare their food. So, circle this water also. Okay, ma? Next. Come to page number 123, ma. This page. Here we have some work to do. Now, let us discuss a bit. Tick the correct answers. They need support to grow straight. Option A, trees. Option B, climbers. Option C, shrubs. What is the correct one, ma? Trees need support to grow straight. No. Climbers. Yes, correct. Option B is correct one. Climbers only need support to grow straight. Okay. Second one. We eat the root of this plant. Can we eat carrot root? Okay. Option B, apple. Can we eat apple roots? No. Can we eat rice roots? No. Only carrot is the correct answer. So, option A, carrot. Very good. Number 3. Juice from the kika tree is used to make option A, jute. Option B, gum. Option C, tea. Jute. We get jute from jute plant. We can't use that to make gum. No. Option B, gum. Yes. We use kekar juice to prepare gum. Option B is correct one. Okay. Next one. Option B. Sorry, Nana. Let us discuss B bit. Who am I? First one. I have a thin and hard stem. I have many branches. Who am I? Check once, Nana. Turn the pages. See here. A shrub is much smaller than a tree. It has a thin and hard stem. Okay. So, what is the correct answer? Yes, shrub. Okay. Shrub. Number 2. I have a weak stem. I grow along the ground. What is that, ma? Along the ground. Which grows along the ground? climber? No. If we give support, it grows straight. But what is it, ma? Creeper. What is that? Creeper. Number 3. I am made from bamboo. You write on me. You write on the walls, on the floor. No. Where do you write, ma? On the paper only? Yes. We get paper from which tree? Yes, bamboo tree. So what is the correct answer, ma? Paper. Number 4. I am used to cook food. What is that? Gas? No. What is that, ma? Firewood. What is that? Firewood. Here they mention properly. See here. I am used to cook food. What is that? Firewood. We can see this in villages also. Firewood. Okay. Here some activity is there, Nanna. You can try this. Page number 124. You can do this. Okay. Try once. Fruits, vegetable. Here we have some jumbled letters, Nanna. Pick them and write here correct word. Okay. Some fruits names, vegetables names and nuts names are also in this. Okay. You can pick them and write here. Got it? Very good. Hope you understood this lesson, Nanna. Very good. Don't come outside. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, parents. Thank you, Lanya ma'am.